Our bird feeder is a good bird feeder because we want a cardinal to come, and then we put a tray out there out of foil, and then cardinals eat off a tray off of trays. We'll put birdseed in it, then it will come, and then we have a thing right here where we can hook it up to a hook that you like hook stuff up with, and then how we made it is we got a plate, then I poked some holes through the plate, then I tied these together up here, and I did this. You can see it. I poked it through. Then I put some foil on there.
And then we made walls so the seeds won't spill out.
Yeah.
That was my idea.
Yeah.
Also, we had two plans. One of the plans was this is his idea. So he was doing it to where it was square and a cardinal would come and pick the seeds off. But he accidentally drew it upside down. And this is his plan.
So
we made my
So we did my plan. We put a plate and then put some walls. Then we put pop cleaners and then we'll hook it up. Then we can put some birdseed on. And we want a cardinal to come. They eat birdseed.
I tried doing that one. Okay, I'll make a video.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so stop.